Alright, so I've had this bass for about 18 years. It's a Soundgear by Ibanez with active pickups. 18-year-old bass. I used to play bass quite a bit. So I decided I'd hook it up into Super Jerry 2 here and see how it sounds. Alright, so let me show you how I get this rig hooked up. So you got your regular guitar cord. Goes into the back here to a 1/4 inch to an RCA adapter, Y splitter. Goes into the right and left channel aux input. Right there. See? Works good, lasts a long time. So you can probably hook up a guitar or a microphone or a keyboard in the back of this thing too. And cool, I can tell you, it sounds pretty darn good. It's not like high volume, but it has a really, really deep sound. So it might make a good little practice combo type deal where you don't want to piss off your neighbors, I guess, type deal. But it sounds pretty darn good. Pretty clean sounding. Doesn't have the crazy volume, you know, like room-filling volume, but it plays pretty smoothly if you want to practice. And with active pickups, you have a lot of options with tone and, you know, jazz, plinking and plunking and all that stuff. So all I had to do is just put a new 9-volt battery in the back, and it's really dusty. The strings are stupid old, but plays straight, tuned up just fine with the tuner, and sounded pretty good. So let's play a little bit more now. Screwing, I haven't played in years.